Hey, what's up guys? It's DH here and welcome back to the S3 Powersports shop, where today we're going to be installing our Ambush Series rock sliders for the Jeep Wrangler JLU. As you can see, everything's laid out and prepped to make this a super easy install. So now we're ready to get working. We've got Cody here. He's going to show us the entire process of getting these sliders bolted up. So without further ado, let's get it on. Before we get started, let's grab the following tools: 8mm, 13mm, and 18mm wrench or socket. If your model is equipped with factory steps, we will remove these first. Remove the bolt on the pinch seam using a 10mm socket or wrench. Next, remove the 3 factory body mount bolts using an 18mm wrench or socket. We'll reuse these later. If you're installing rock lights, mount them now. Be sure to route the wires so they're not pinched during the install process. Clip the 6 barrel nuts onto the pinch seam mount over the designated holes. Position the rock sliders into place. Align the notches on the side so they fit into place with the body. From underneath, align the bolt holes on the rock sliders with the corresponding holes in the body. Then thread the body mount bolts back into place using an 18mm wrench or socket. Leave the bolts loose enough to allow some adjustment on the sliders. Lift up on the slider to align the bolt holes located inside the 3 cutouts on the bottom with the bolt holes on the pinch seam. Thread the 6 M8x30mm bolts and washers into the barrel nuts using a 13mm socket or wrench and tighten them into place. Using an 18mm socket or wrench, tighten the 3 body bolts. Now repeat everything on the opposite side. All right guys, there you have it. That's a wrap on the install for our Ambush Series rock sliders for the Jeep Wrangler JLU. Thanks for tuning in.